What's up, guys? This is Rabia, and you're listening to the Burger Rants. Welcome back to the podcast. I missed last week's episode because I was dealing with a lot of things that I couldn't make a podcast episode. But I have decided that I'm gonna take it easy and I'm gonna upload whenever I want to upload. And it's okay if I'm not consistent. I don't know if that's like a good thing to follow or not, but we're back. I am so energized right now. It's Saturday morning, and let me tell you guys. Okay, you all are gonna be so proud of me. I hope so, or maybe inspired. So since the past 2 weeks, I actually been running twice a week, which is really good. So there's a girl in Askari who's like professionally trained runner, and she's an athlete, maybe. I don't know, like she does a lot of stuff. She does like weights, she does workout, like she's like a pro in all those things. I don't think it's called an athlete, मैंने ऐਵੇਂ बोल दिया. But anyways, so there's this girl. She started this initiative where she was like gathering a lot of girls, and all the girls would just go on a run, and she was like kind of not training, but we were just all just going together. And I had a very less stamina because I told you all that I went out with my cousins to this like huge jumping castle, and after 5 minutes I was out of my breath, I was knocked out, it was so embarrassing. So I really wanted to build my stamina, and for the past like 2 weeks, and I was really embarrassed to go because there were just a lot of girls, and all of those girls were like somehow working out or running or walking or jogging or doing something. And then there was me who is stiff. I sometimes do stretching, and I have no stamina. So I was like, it's gonna be so embarrassing, but like thankfully it was not. It was actually really good. I have improved so much. My walk steps count is increasing, and it's very good. I also want to continue doing it every single day because she does it twice a week, and I want to do it by myself as well every single day, but let's see what happens. It usually would happen at night, 9 p.m., but today she did it at 6 a.m. So I woke up at 5:30. I prayed for Fajr. I ate a banana and I ran. So I couldn't keep running for an hour, obviously, क्योंकि मेरे अंदर इतना stamina नहीं है. But she told us that we would run, and whenever we are just out of breath, we can just start walking. और फिर जब हमारा फिर से it's like our breathing is like better, then we can start running again, which I think is a very good approach. I don't know why I never thought about it. It was so nice. I am a morning person. I enjoy being a morning person, but I was really lazy. I'm also lazy. So I was so glad that she did that at 6 a.m. On Saturday, I woke up early. I prayed for Fajr. I went there. I came back. I made a breakfast for myself. I had a breakfast. I did journaling, which not journaling. I also like wrote the script of this podcast, which was not that hard. And right now I'm recording a podcast. Everyone else is asleep in my home, and I still have the whole day. So like I am so happy about it. Like I cannot tell you all. After this I have like a Quran class. I'm gonna go to that. Uske baad maybe I'm going to market with my mom. Uske baad I have a show to watch. Like it's gonna be such a good day. I feel so happy. I don't know if you guys can tell or not. And I think really waking up early and like being productive really helps you a lot in these things. I would like upload more videos of the running thing. So if any one of you wants to do on your own, I think you should really try it. It's the weather, and that is actually what we're going to talk about for the rest of this podcast. We're literally have this episode dedicated to this weather. But yeah, so summer is officially gone. It left. I am feeling so good about it. मुझे अभी से अगले summers का डर लग रहा है. But we have 5 months to like breathe. I think we have 5. Like October आधा गुजर गया. So we have half of October, we have November, we have December, we have January, we have February. That makes it 4. And March, I think so. So we have like a while and a good time to enjoy. And I want to make sure that I and you all just like make the best out of this time. That's why I'm doing this podcast. If winter आएगा तो हम winter की अलग podcast बनाएंगे. But it's gonna be so good. And I hope we just like live our best life and just be happy with whatever we have. This is like our main goal at the end of the day, to be excited about things and live a good life and just create excitement out of ordinary things. Obviously fall comes every single year, but we have to make it exciting for ourselves and just enjoy it. So yeah, so my lifestyle may I added this thing, and obviously you can tell it's like it have made a very apparent difference for me. I just feel so much better. Waking up early is like I enjoy it, और मुझे लगता है कि अभी जो मौसम है ना, इसमें you can actually like it's gonna be a little hard waking up early, but not like it would be in December. So I would say like मेक अप गुड रूटीन. अब तो फजर की भी टाइमिंग जो है वो बहुत आई थिंक मैं कल देखा और 6 o'clock तक थी, 6-9 तक थी. सो यू कैन वेक अप फजर, यू कैन वेक अप, you can like pray fajr and then just stay awake and like do your stuff and wake up, get your sleep early as well. What I don't like about summer transitioning into fall is when दिन जो हैं वो छोटे होते जाते हैं, sun sets quite early and sun rises quite late, so the like nights are longer. But if you are just waking up early after like you're praying fajr and you're just staying awake, you would have most of the day like I have today, and then you can sleep in early so that you don't feel like that. Because for me it kind of like makes me really sad when like the night is so long, और जब मैं उठूँ like if I'm waking up at 12 तो obviously and the sun is setting at 5 तो obviously it just makes me sad. तो I think कि उसके लिए सबसे बेहतर यही है to wake up early, and I think this is like the right weather to do it. And I think whatever you want to like get done, you can get done. Obviously like I can still have to go to office unfortunately, so 5 out of 7 days I cannot enjoy the weather that much. I'll be inside a concrete building. This means there's air conditioner, there's heater, everyone fights on that. I hate it, but it is what it is. So I just want to make like the best out of my Saturdays and Sunday and whatever. और obviously जिस टाइम मैं वापस आती हूँ उस टाइम तक मगरिब हो चुकी होती है, it's pitch dark. So I think I want to wake up early on weekdays, but on Saturday and Sunday I just want to like just live the best life ever. But जब भी फॉल आता है, फॉल बाद में आता है, फॉल से पहले स्मॉग आ जाता है. So the air quality is actually getting worse. It was also like getting bad 2 weeks ago, but then it rained and it got really better. But now I can see like it's getting bad. So make sure you buy masks and wear the masks. और जब वो intense होगा obviously we won't be able to go out. Take care on a personal level, on an individual level, take care of the environment, don't do something excessive. तो I think obviously इसका जो हल है वो गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे है, but we can do what we can do and let's just hope for the best. Let's take care of ourselves. Obviously we are by smoke, we are always just robbed of this weather which is like perfect for outings, for picnics, for like outdoor celebration, because then it's gonna be too cold to do like all the things. But I think what we can do, like we can do what we can do आगे, and we can expect that to raise awareness regarding it and to like make voice against it so that people who are in power can hear it and do something. But yeah, smog is here, which is kind of like a bummer, but hopefully it won't get worse this week. I hope कि already जो है वो गवर्नमेंट ऐसे measures लेना शुरू कर दे जिसपे हमें end time पे जाके जो है वो सब कुछ shut down ना करना पड़े, because that would be really bad. But I have started wearing a bit more warmer clothes. I really enjoy it. Actually, जब मैं jog करने जाती हूँ, I wear a hoodie and it's like breathable in it. It's not like I feel, obviously you sweat when you're like running, but it's good. I started wearing a hoodie. It makes me so happy. I sleep with a blanket. It makes me so happy. अभी मैंने सही तरह सर्दियों के कपड़े नहीं निकाले, but I'm also like winter shopping. I'm seeing sweaters. I would love to get a beige long coat. Like that is everything that I want right now. But let's see, if you see something like that, like please send me the link of it. Genuinely. One thing I'm also struggling with is like hair wash day. Like what days should I like wash my hair? Because I want to wash my hair on Monday because it's like the first day of the week. You want your hair to be fresh and clean, obviously. But then I also want to wash my hair on Friday. So if I'm washing my hair 3 days a week, that is too much, and my hair like gets very dry with it. But I also cannot like wash my hair on Monday and then skip the whole week and then wash my hair on Friday. That is also not possible. So I'm trying to find a middle way. I do want to like switch towards washing my hair like 2 days a week. I think that is enough and fine. Unless I have to go somewhere, तो मैं उसके हिसाब से adjust कर लूँ. But and I also don't mind having oil in my hair when it's been a while since you wash your hair, so there's like grease in your hair. I don't mind that because it's actually like good for your hair. It's not that bad. And your hair, whenever you have grease in your hair and you wash then your hair, it's like the best wash ever, and your hair looks so nice. So I think you shouldn't be scared of the grease coming out. It's like a natural oil that your hair is like producing for itself, and I think it's good. Don't be scared of that. I think what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna wash my hair on Tuesday, and then for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it would be good, and then on Friday, so Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, it should be good. But let's see how it goes. But like right now, I'm kind of like struggling with my hair wash day. Speaking of hair, I also want to get a haircut so bad. Whenever it's winter or fall, I really want to get a new haircut for fall or winter. And I always prefer short hair. हालांकि पिछली बार जब I got a haircut, I thought I'm never gonna get my hair short again. But I have been saving bob pictures in my phone from Pinterest. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm very tempted to do a bob. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I'm soft launching a haircut to my like mom, because she was like, no, you're not gonna get a haircut. No. And it's always like, because my hair are like really short, so she's like never wants me to cut them, but I have started sending her like haircut reels and good haircut reels, so that she's like it's expected for her and not like a surprise, so that she's like fine with it. But yeah, this is, I think, what's happening, what's I'm on. Obviously there's a lot serious things happening as well, but I'm like, we are dealing with it. With that, we need to have these unserious things as well, so that like our life could be more better and exciting. So when we talk about fall vibes, fall aesthetics, we would wonder, what is that if not brands and content creator capitalizing on products which we usually do not need, and us being a victim of consumerism. Something like scented candle, we might not feel the need to get it, but because we see people getting scented candle and getting some pumpkin spice flavors scented candles and like fall special scented candle, we feel the need to get that as well, even though sometimes we don't really need it. Like, yes, it's an amazing product, but do I really need it? Do I feel the need to have it? Without watching this reel that this content creator uploaded, where she woke up at like 8 a.m. and the first thing she did after waking up was to light up her scented candle. Do I needed that if I had not seen all this content and all these people using it and all these like flavors, fall flavors that are being introduced to me? Yeah, so I think that this season is something that you can like easily like fall for in getting new stuff. But I was someone who would too, but now I have like learned the art of enjoying something for free and not like being sold on things that I see. Obviously, whenever I see fall reels, they're all brown, and I am not waking up to any day where everything suddenly is all brown and green and copper and mustard. It's not like that. They use a filter, right? And I can use a filter as well, and I can create that thing for myself as well, whatever is convenient for me, right? So I think you don't have to do everything just to feel a vibe and put that much money to feel something, to do something for your enjoyment. Because I think it's all about just like the changing of weather is just such a natural process that it should be something that you need to like enjoy on your own and just create enjoyment by maybe associating a few things by it that you can do in that weather and you can feel good about it. You know what I mean? Like, obviously we can go on walks on every single day, but this is like the perfect weather to go on walks, because it's like the weather is so nice. It's not that warm, it's not that close. This is also the best weather where you can wear like chiffon, georgette, silk, like stuff like that, and enjoy it. Maybe the outfit are gonna be too cold to wear in winters, but also too hot to wear in summers. You can wear that. So I think it's like nice to associate these type of things that you already have with this season without having to add more things. It should be nice that like the feeling of like going back home to a chilly breeze, if there is no smoke, maybe breathing in, breathing out in that, and having the pleasant weather, do more outdoor activities, meet your friends more, spend time with your family more. Maybe just like it's just more comforting as compared to winter. And maybe in sakt sardi, nahi, sardi is also comforting, and this is like a comfortable weather where you can like not be lazy, get things done and enjoy it, and just like be happy about it. So I think these are the things that I for myself associate with fall, that I sometimes specially do it for fall. You can have your own things and it's completely fine. We're just doing whatever is convenient and in our reach without having to like just go over the board with these things, because obviously this is not important and there's just so much more seriousness and other things to life that that like are important and gonna go with it. This is just something that we can do for our own pleasure, and maybe it's not like everyone's like vibe. But first of all, I think, as I said, I really enjoy going out. I enjoy doing outdoor activities. Obviously, unfortunately, with my work I have to be inside 5 days a week, but with this walk and like with this decision to wake up early, I just want to spend time more outdoor. And I just like, even in my sitting in my balcony, and just like if there's no smoke, obviously जब भी मैं कुछ कहने लगती हूँ, क्योंकि a lot of things I associate with just doing like being outdoor, and it's gonna be smoke, so I won't be able to do it. But there are some indoor some indoor things as well that I really associate with fall. I like having a color palette for fall. Like I genuinely like, for summer I like wearing pastels, and for fall I like wearing like mustard and green and copper and brown, like color like these. I really like love having that, and like green, different shades of green. मुझे लगता है कि obviously again you do not have to go out and like actively buy something that like falls on fall and summer or winter. You just like need to see कि, oh, what I can wear like in wardrobe that could be a little special. Like there are some clothes of mine that it doesn't make sense, but I just saved them so I could wear it like in October or in fall, because it's just gonna be more enjoyable for me. I didn't like bought it from the intention कि मुझे specifically इसीलिए ये outfit चाहिए, right? But like you can sort out these things. It can be so much fun. I think for me the biggest thing about fall is to watch fiction and to read fiction. And I have specific genres जो कि मैं सिर्फ fall में देखती हूँ, and one of that genre is dark academia. I think this is the best time. Watch Harry Potter, watch the Dead Poets Society, read the Dead Poets Society. I have the Secret History by Donna Tartt still, like I'm not even halfway done to it, so I'm gonna read that book. Hopefully it's gonna be a lot of fun, and like it gives like that vibe where you like the cold vibe that you need, the weather that you need, that you want to watch that show in. There's like, obviously you can watch any genre ever, but I like having genres associated. Literary fiction, या फिर like academia, like you get the vibe, right? So I think I have a list of books and movies that I think that I could watch in this weather, and it's gonna be really good. And I think for me fiction just really does the job on feeling something and wanting something. I think I also like post on Instagram in that way, where like I change like the aesthetics a bit. जब spring आता है, post different, and like, but it's all the things that I have created. Now I'm gonna upload a reel for fall today, but it's like all the videos that I like made last year. All of this is not happening to me. It took me months to record like every single clip of it. So do not let's just watch a 15-second clip and think, oh, they're living a better life. it's not real. It's the thing people have created. Obviously, I think at some level, like for your own enjoyment, it's okay to create these things. But if you're influencing people negatively, someone is watching it and feeling bad, so obviously it's not good. And I have never, that's been my intention behind things. I just want all of us to enjoy what we have and what we are given, what the nature is giving us, what Allah have is giving us with like his creations, in like the best way possible, and just live our life to the fullest and enjoy these little things. I think the concept of romanticizing life is also that your life is still have those obstacles and still have those hardships, still have those sad moments, but you have to enjoy the happy moments to the fullest. Like sitting with your parents should be something that you're like deep for you, more enjoyable for you. So just to have more intention behind these things and just maybe have more importance for these little moments. I think that's what it's about. And at the end of the day, I think we just need to like not be like tone deaf कि हम अपनी ज़िंदगी में इतना मगन है. And I have created this like bubble for myself कि मुझे बाकी सबकी ज़िंदगी उससे बाहर नज़र नहीं आ रही. I think that's not the right way to go. But have a little like things for your own pleasure. Someone find this like in food, they love eating, they love trying new things. Someone find it in books or movies. Someone find it in their friends and love going out. Someone likes it in traveling. Like जो भी जिसके लिए जो चीज़ accessible है वो उसके हिसाब से अपने लिए उन्होंने वो चीज़ बनाई हुई है. And I think it's important to have that, but also be present in the real world and know what's happening in the real world and what like our people are going through, to be voice of that at the end of the day. So I think there's always a balance to not be that delusional, but also have a little bit resource of excitement and happiness for you. So yeah, I think this was helpful. I know this episode was really short, but that's all I have to say. I hope this gave you the motivation you needed or whatever. I hope this podcast just made you feel better, and I'm gonna hopefully see you guys next week. I'm also like writing down what's the possible guests I can have, because I think now is the right weather to have guests on my why I can't speak on a podcast. So let's hope we get that. And I just want to bring more exciting podcast episodes for you guys. I hope this podcast grows, reaches out to new people. I am seeing new stuff that I can do. I think if I find something, or if you guys just want to know, okay, what events are happening in Lahore, that you guys want to network, I just have a lot of things that I know are happening in Lahore. Some of them might be even free of cost. So if you're just willing to do that, you want to network and know things, just let me know. I can send you like a lot of stuff. Unfortunately, I don't know about other cities in Pakistan other than Lahore, because I'm just like more updated on these stuff. But I'll like find things and let you guys know. So make sure you reach out to me if you need anything and want to know everything about like these things, or just want to have like a good lifestyle and maybe are confused what you can add in your life to just live a better life and just have something to be excited about. So you should know I am always there for you. See you guys next week. Take care of yourself. Bye. I hope the smoke does not get worse when I see you guys next week.